Okay, so I've changed the color overlay. Coming back here to free transform that color overlay, making it smaller to where it just looks like, oh, she's wearing a little Scorpio shirt. So make it smaller. And again, to solidify, check mark. Then you can also nudge and bring it down with your keyboard. Kind of like that. I'm going to make this a little bigger. And you can do that by coming to the bottom left. And I'm going to go like 25%. Okay, this lets you see more so of what I was saying, even with the background and stuff. This scorpion at this size is kind of trash. So I'm going to try to go back. Go to tools this time and do size large. That will help you find an image that's not looking grainy. You know what I'm saying? At this point, it's fine for this because it's so tiny. We'll rock with it, but you can just go back to your thing. What is this? Google search, go to tools, make your image large. I'm going to go with transparent background. It may help. Let's see. It says it's big, but the background didn't change to look like this one. Like this, yes, 100% free background. If I could even just get it, well, I guess this is still the Scorpio sign, this little M looking thing. You know what? I guess that will work. It's not what I had in mind. Let's see. This one is kind of cool. But then it comes to this little extra. I'll see what I can do with it. Save image as new score. So it doesn't have a background. I'm going to bring it in. Again, file, place embedded. Bring it in, new score, place. So it is pretty big. Let's see, position wise, wouldn't really change it. I would do a color overlay, but some of these details will not withstand. So I might do something different. Okay. I'm going to leave this. Yeah. Let's just see what we can do. I'm going to try to see how it is to erase. I like to click the magic eraser tool. It's going to say rasterize. And you're going to say okay. Okay, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to try to take a bigger piece of the pie by upping the tolerance to 100% to see what happens. Okay. Not mad. Not mad. Let's see. I think when I get in here and start clicking on the reds though. Yeah. Yeah. So no, magic eraser won't do. I'm going to leave everything rasterized and I'm going to see if my paint bucket gives me better results. Gradient tool. I really never used that with that, but let's see. Let's make sure we have the right layer selected. Okay, I do. So what's the gradient tool supposed to be doing? Anyways, I'm gonna go to my paint bucket tool. Black is not. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go with black. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Okay, that's not it. Hey Eris, I'm recording. Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'll get it. Give me 1 second. Okay, so yeah, I'm basically not getting the results that I want. I'm gonna go back to rasterize. This isn't a terrible color scheme, but I would probably use a different girl now. So I'm going to take this to the back layer. I think I've left it as is. I'm going to take it to the back, all the way back, drag it, boom. So it's back there. I'm still going to keep this. I'm actually going to put a stroke on it. Maybe this other one won't look so terrible with a stroke. Oh, it kinda. Oh, that's an inside stroke. Let's see an outside stroke. Ugh. Ew. Inside though? I don't know. That's crazy. So it's kind of ugly. So cancel. I'm just, yeah. Mm. So let's see what this M looks like. Because this, okay, new idea alert. Let's find one of these little M's. One that doesn't have a background, which that isn't one. I hope everybody's doing all right. Oh, this one will work. Again, save image as whatever it says. So we're going to try to let this be the last image. File, place embedded. Boom. Place. So I knew it was going to come in pretty big. So I'm going to take this down to 20. Take this down to 20. So I can see everything at one time. I'm going to just bring it, make it a little smaller. Because I kind of still wanted to just take up this same amount of space. Okay. So I'm going to make all of these disappear and leave that back there. My idea is now to duplicate this back layer and bring it here. Move it up here because I'm going to create a clipping mask. Boom, did that. Now you have, again, go down to your original image, and that is where you add your stroke. If you add it to that, it's just going to add it to the outside of a square, and it's not going to matter at all. I'm going to add a little thickness to my stroke. I'm going to grab both and bring it in. Okay, so the Scorpio letters here, I'm definitely not going to use the same glitter. So I'm going to bring in a gold glitter. File, place embedded. I'm going to come here so I can hit that same glitter search. Let's do blue maybe. Is that? Yeah, let's go blue. Be a little different because I love gold. So that would have been the safe, obvious choice. Don't want to waste you guys' time with something basic. And you know what? I'm just now seeing in this little glitter, you can see the, what have I used this for? Oh, I just downloaded this. So, whatever. Just to let you know, guys, you pay attention. This is a watermarked image. I'm not going to go into how to clean that up or anything like that. I think that might be illegal. Not sure. But hey, that's none of my business if that's what you're doing. Yeah, this is not the space for that. Actually, I don't like the blue, so it must be a sign. This is copywritten or at least watermark protected. Leave it alone. Again, back to glitter. And this looks like the first, I'm gonna go silver. This first little Photoshop Friday is probably gonna have to be cut up into sections. Um, so now I'm going to do create clipping mask. Boom, Scorpio. Yeah, I don't think I'm liking the glitter at all. Maybe it's also the font of Scorpio now. Things are different. Always know that you can go back to the drawing board, switch your stuff up. That wouldn't work or not. Anything fire related. We're not even. How about I just X Scorpio? Because we're not a Leo, and I don't. You know what? I don't want to start any Zodiac battles with you guys, so I'm just leave it at that. This is pretty basic. I'm going to make this and baby girl here. So you do that by clicking it and also pushing down control. And then you go to file, free transform. That lets you, transform freely. These little women are so well made and nice, high quality. Yeah, we're taking down to 15. So with my background, it kind of makes sense. Again, control. So I'm going to go back, undo that action. Got her, got that. Going to move it down. Moving them down, moving them down. Take my Scorpio bits. Free transform. Making them bigger. Okay. Still not liking this close to the end. Hiding a drop shadow. Need the drop shadow. Maybe just not so much of it. And I'm looking here to peep her hair to see size. It's the size. It's something. Oh, battery running low. Okay, I'm gonna make it quick. I'm gonna move this Scorpio symbol, bring it up a little bit. Making it bigger so you can see. And I'm gonna put like it's my birthday or something. Use charming fonts. Control A to kind of stretch it out because I'm gonna make some changes. I need it to fit across. I'm gonna take it down to 100. It's my birthday, still not okay. Also in here you can change. I could tell there was some. I'm gonna put it back at 0 so my letters connect to auto here. Or if it had to go to the next line. Okay, it's that size. I'm going to make it bigger. Make it bigger, like 125 maybe. That works. I have a pre-made blend situation, which I just call my gold. So I'm gonna pick that style. That's that. Okay, I'm gonna need more than that. Yeah, it's my birthday. It's kind of bland. So I'm gonna stop right here and then pick up